English Podcast Spot. Learn English with podcast.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Podcast Spot. I'm Emma.
And I'm David. Hello, Emma. How are you today?
I'm fantastic, David, and I'm really hungry.
Oh no, why are you hungry?
Because today's topic is food. And talking about food always makes me hungry.
Haha. That's true. Today we're talking about favorite foods.
Yes, food is a wonderful topic. Everyone loves to talk about food.
That's right, and it's a great way to practice your English.
When you meet new people, they often ask, "What's your favorite food?"
So today you'll learn how to answer this question perfectly.
Before we start, please help us grow. Like this podcast
Share it with your friends who want to learn English.
and subscribe. We have new lessons every day.
Okay, everyone, let's start talking about delicious food.
Let's start with basic food vocabulary.
Good idea. First, let's talk about meals. Meals are the times we eat.
Yes, there are three main meals: breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Breakfast is in the morning, lunch is in the afternoon, dinner is in the evening.
Everyone repeat with me: breakfast, lunch, dinner.
Great! Some people also have snacks. Snacks are small foods between meals.
Right? Like an apple or some cookies, small things.
Now let's learn food categories. What are some categories?
Good question. We have fruits, vegetables, meat, fish, dairy, and grains.
Let's explain each one. Fruits are sweet foods from plants.
Yes, apples, bananas, oranges, strawberries. These are all fruits.
Vegetables are also from plants, but they're not sweet.
Right. Carrots, tomatoes, broccoli, lettuce. These are vegetables.
Everyone say fruits and vegetables.
Good job!
Next category, meat. Meat comes from animals.
Yes. Chicken, beef, pork, lamb. These are types of meat.
Beef is meat from cows. Pork is meat from pigs.
Right. And fish is its own category: salmon, tuna, cod.
Fish live in water. They're different from meat.
Next, dairy. Dairy means foods from milk.
Yes, milk, cheese, yogurt, butter. All dairy products.
And finally, grains. Grains are foods like bread, rice, pasta.
Grains give us energy.
Let's practice. I'll say a food. You think, what category is it?
Great game. Ready, everyone?
First food, pizza. What category?
That's tricky. Pizza has many ingredients.
You're right. Pizza has grain, the bread. It has dairy, the cheese, and sometimes meat.
So pizza is a mixed dish. It has many categories together.
Exactly. Next, ice cream. What category?
Ice cream is dairy. It's made from milk and cream.
Correct. One more: salad.
Salad is vegetables. Lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers.
Perfect practice.
Now let's learn how to describe taste. Taste is how food feels in your mouth.
Yes. This is very important vocabulary.
The 5 basic tastes are sweet, salty, sour, bitter, and umami.
Let's explain each one. Sweet means like sugar or honey.
Yes, chocolate is sweet, candy is sweet, cake is sweet.
Everyone say sweet. Think of something sweet.
Next, salty. Salt makes food salty.
Right. Potato chips are salty. Pretzels are salty. Soy sauce is very salty.
Good examples. Now, sour. Sour is like lemons.
Yes, lemons are very sour. They make your mouth feel funny.
Vinegar is also sour, and some candies are sour.
Next, taste, bitter. Bitter is the opposite of sweet.
Right. Coffee is bitter. Dark chocolate is a little bitter.
Some people like bitter tastes, some people don't.
That's true. Everyone is different.
The last taste is umami. This is a Japanese word.
Umami means savory, delicious, rich flavor.
Meat has umami. Mushrooms have umami. Cheese has umami.
It's a deep, rich taste, very satisfying.
We can also use other words to describe food.
Yes. Let's learn more adjectives. Spicy means hot, like chili peppers.
Right. This curry is very spicy. It burns your mouth a little.
Mild is the opposite. Mild means not spicy. Gentle.
Good. We can also say crunchy or crispy.
Crunchy means hard, makes a sound when you bite it.
Yes, potato chips are crunchy. Raw carrots are crunchy. Toast is crispy.
Soft is the opposite. Bread is soft. Bananas are soft.
More describing words. Juicy means full of liquid.
Right. Oranges are juicy. Watermelon is very juicy.
Creamy means smooth, like cream.
Ice cream is creamy. Good soup is creamy.
We can also say fresh or stale.
Fresh means new. Just made. Very good quality.
Fresh vegetables from the garden. Fresh bread from the bakery.
Stale is the opposite. Old bread is stale. Not good.
Right. And tender means soft and easy to eat. This meat is very tender.
Or tough. Hard to chew. This meat is tough.
Now let's learn how to talk about your favorite foods.
Yes. How do we express preferences? Preferences means what you like.
We can say I like, or I love, or I enjoy.
These are all positive. They mean you think it's good.
I like pizza. I love chocolate. I enjoy Italian food.
We can make it stronger. I really like, or I absolutely love.
Really and absolutely make it stronger, more intense.
I really like sushi. I absolutely love ice cream.
We can also talk about dislikes, things we don't like.
Right? We say I don't like or I don't enjoy.
I don't like mushrooms. I don't enjoy spicy food.
We can also say I'm not a fan of.
Fan means someone who really likes something. So, not a fan means you don't like it.
I'm not a fan of olives. I'm not a fan of seafood.
Good. For stronger dislike, we say I hate or I can't stand.
I hate Brussels sprouts. I can't stand the smell of fish.
But be careful. Hate is a very strong word. Use it carefully.
Now let's talk about favorites. Favorite means the one you like best.
Yes. What's your favorite food? This is a very common question.
We answer, my favorite food is, then say the food.
My favorite food is pasta. Listen again, my favorite food is pasta.
Everyone say, my favorite food is.
Great. We can also say my favorite dish is
Dish means a prepared meal, something cooked.
right. My favorite dish is chicken curry.
Or my favorite meal is dinner.
Let's practice giving reasons. Why is it your favorite?
Good question. We use because to give reasons.
I love pizza because it's delicious.
I like sushi because it's fresh and healthy.
I enjoy pasta because it's easy to cook.
Everyone think, what's your favorite food? Why do you like it?
Practice saying my favorite food is because,
We can also talk about frequency, how often we eat something.
yes. Frequency means how many times.
We say I eat pizza every week. Every week is the frequency.
Or I eat ice cream once a month.
Once a month, one time each month.
More examples, I eat vegetables every day.
I have chocolate twice a week.
Twice means 2 times.
I eat fast food rarely. Rarely means not often, almost never.
Or I eat fish occasionally. Occasionally means sometimes, not regularly. Now let's talk about cooking. Do you like to cook?
Good question. We can say I like cooking or I enjoy cooking.
Or I don't like cooking. I prefer eating out.
Eating out means eating at restaurants, not cooking at home.
Right. Let's learn cooking verbs. These are actions we do when cooking.
First verb boil. Boil means cook in hot water.
Yes, I boil water for pasta. I boil eggs for breakfast.
Next fry. Fry means cook in hot oil.
I fry eggs. I fry chicken. The oil makes it crispy.
Bake means cook in the oven.
Right? I bake bread. I bake cookies. I bake a cake.
Grill means cook over fire or on a grill.
I grill meat. I grill vegetables. Very tasty.
More cooking verbs. Chop means cut into small pieces.
Yes, I chop onions. I chop vegetables for salad.
Mix means combine things together.
I mix flour and eggs. I mix the salad.
Stir means move a spoon around in a pot.
I stir the soup. Stir the sauce.
Season means add salt, pepper, spices.
Season the meat. Season to taste.
To taste means add the amount you like.
Let's practice. Can you cook?
Yes, I can cook basic dishes. I'm not a chef, but I try.
What can you cook?
I can make pasta with tomato sauce. It's simple.
How do you make it?
First, I boil water. Then, I cook the pasta. Next, I heat the sauce. Finally, I mix them together.
Sounds delicious. See, everyone, explain the process step by step.
Yes, use words like first, then, next, after that, finally.
These words help organize your explanation.
Let's learn some restaurant vocabulary. Very useful.
Yes, when you go to a restaurant, you need special phrases.
First, the waiter asks, "Are you ready to order?"
You say yes, I'd like. Then say your food.
"I'd like" is polite. It means I want.
I'd like the chicken, please. I'd like a salad, please.
Always say please, it's polite.
The waiter might ask, what would you like to drink?
You answer, "I'll have a water, please," or "I'll have orange juice."
I'll have means you choose that drink.
The waiter might also ask, "Would you like anything else?"
You say no, thank you, or yes. I'd like dessert, please.
When you finish eating, you say, "Could I have the bill, please?"
The bill, the paper showing how much money you pay.
In American English, they say check instead of bill.
Could I have the check, please?
Let's practice. I'm the waiter. Emma is the customer.
Okay, fun.
Good evening. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'd like the grilled salmon with vegetables, please.
Excellent choice. And what would you like to drink?
I'll have a sparkling water, please.
Perfect. Your order will be ready soon.
Thank you.
See, simple and polite.
Wow, we learned so much today. Let's review everything.
Great idea. First, we learned food categories.
Fruits, vegetables, meat, fish, dairy, and grains.
Next, we learned taste words.
Sweet, salty, sour, bitter, umami. And also spicy, crunchy, juicy, creamy, fresh.
Then we learned how to express preferences.
I like, I love, I don't like, I'm not a fan of.
We learned about favorites.
My favorite food is because
We learned cooking verbs.
boil, fry, bake, grill, chop, mix, stir, season.
And finally, restaurant phrases.
I'd like, I'll have, could I have the bill, please?
Excellent summary.
Now, speaking practice, this is very important.
Yes, I'll ask questions. You answer out loud. Practice speaking.
Ready, everyone? Let's begin.
Question 1. What's your favorite food?
Take your time. Think about your answer. My favorite food is.
Good. Question 2. Why do you like this food?
Remember to use because. I like it because.
Excellent. Question 3. How often do you eat this food?
I eat it every day or I eat it once a week.
Great. Question 4. Do you like cooking?
Yes, I love cooking, or no, I prefer eating out.
Perfect. Last question. What's one food you don't like?
I don't like or I'm not a fan of.
Wonderful practice, everyone.
Now, let's do a complete answer together. Listen carefully.
Yes. I'll describe my favorite food. This is a model answer.
Everyone, listen for all the vocabulary we learned.
Okay. My favorite food is sushi. I love sushi because it's fresh and delicious. The fish is tender and the rice is perfectly seasoned. Sushi has umami flavor. It's very satisfying. I eat sushi about twice a month at my favorite Japanese restaurant. I don't cook sushi at home because it's difficult to make. When I go to the restaurant, I usually order salmon sushi and tuna sushi. Sometimes I also have miso soup. I really enjoy the whole experience.
Perfect, David! Did everyone hear the vocabulary?
I used favorite love because fresh, delicious, tender, seasoned, umami, frequency, cooking, ordering.
All the vocabulary from today's lesson.
Great job today, everyone. You learned so much.
Yes, now you can talk about food in English confidently.
You can describe tastes, express preferences, and talk about cooking.
And you can order food in restaurants.
Remember to practice. Talk about food with your friends.
Food is a fun, easy topic. Everyone enjoys talking about food.
Now, our community question, we're very excited about this.
Yes, we love reading your answers.
Here's today's question. What's your favorite food and what does it taste like? Describe it using the vocabulary from today's lesson.
For example, you could write, My favorite food is chocolate cake. It's sweet and creamy. I love it because it's delicious.
Or my favorite food is tacos. They're spicy and crunchy. I eat them every week.
Try to use at least 3 describing words.
Write your answer in the comments below. We read every single comment.
And we'll share some of your answers in our next episode.
We can't wait to hear about your favorite foods.
Before we finish, one more practice. Let's do a quick food conversation.
Good idea. I'll start. What did you have for breakfast?
I had yogurt with fresh berries and honey. It was sweet and creamy.
That sounds delicious. What's your favorite meal of the day?
I love dinner because I can cook something special. What about you?
I prefer lunch. I like to eat a big, healthy lunch. What's one food you can't live without?
Oh, that's easy. Chocolate. I absolutely love chocolate. I eat it almost every day.
Ha ha, me too. See, everyone. A natural conversation about food.
Just like friends talking together.
Okay, everyone. That's the end of today's lesson.
Thank you so much for listening and practicing with us.
Remember, English is easier when you practice topics you enjoy.
And everyone enjoys food.
Please like this podcast if you found it helpful.
Share it with your friends who are learning English.
And subscribe. We have new lessons every day.
Next time, we'll talk about hobbies and free time activities. That will be another fun topic.
Until then, keep practicing your English every day.
Even just 10 minutes makes a difference.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye, and happy eating.
Keep learning, keep improving, keep speaking.